going on, guys? I know I don't have my jacket on today. I apologize in advance. I should be wearing the proper PPE gear, but and I could probably think of more excuses, but anyway, whatever. It's my responsibility. I'm going for a ride. It's a fairly long one because I have a photo shoot for one of my clients out in Clevedon. So yeah, I'm going from West Auckland down the motorway and then out the back roads to Clevedon, which has some really nice roads out in the back. So yeah, I just thought I'd take my camera with me and film some stuff. The trip planning's coming along pretty good. The route is way different to what I was originally planning, what you guys saw in the first video. So yeah, I'm going to make a video about that. I've got a lot of tips from you guys in the comments about places I should see, so I've taken all that on board. Anyway, we've got to get on the motorway. Heaps of this stuff's going to be pretty boring peak hour traffic, but this has got to be one of the warmest days so far. I don't think it's even summer yet. Oh, maybe it's summer today. 2nd of December, can't remember. We shouldn't have much traffic until we get to the city, and then it's all going to be southbound. We shall see. Nice sunny day for a ride though. Moto Social's on tomorrow, but I don't know if I'm gonna end up going. I might see who else is going, and if any of my mates are going in, then I might ride in for that and video it for you. But otherwise, I'm gonna get this motorway out of the way and see you guys in a minute. USB charge is working pretty sweet. It's charging really fast. I've been riding for maybe 10 minutes and I've gone from 32% to 56%, so pretty happy with that. There's a crash up ahead apparently. Should I take the ND filter off for you guys so you can see? Definitely a crash up ahead. There's a motorbike crash. Hope the dude's alright. Harley. She's pretty slow moving. We might take this way. It says it's 4 minutes slower, but it looks a lot windier, so I'm not 100% sure where it's going to take me, but we'll do it anyway. Welcome to Manukau in New Zealand. So it's 737 coming in. Funny how a different part of the same city can feel so dramatically different, like West Auckland compared to South Auckland. It's like an actual different city, but it's all Auckland. Straight through a red light on his phone. Classic. Oh man, I can feel the back of my neck getting sunburnt. Gonna have to remember sunblock this summer. Pretty nice out here. I feel like I need a bit of pressure in my tires, maybe. Clevedon. Might stop at that gas station on the way back and just check the tyre pressure. I suppose we have time now. If they got air here, I may as well check it. Oh. All right. I'll go 40 in the. I'll go 42 because they're hot. It's never in the right spot. Feels alright. Yeah, a little bit low because they are pretty warm. I usually run a little bit lower than the factory says. We'll go 36 in the front. There's that valve down there. 34. Only a couple PSI. I've been here once before because it's really close to a wedding venue that I shoot at a lot. Waitawa Regional Park, you can see on the map there, that's what it's called. Let me know what you guys think of the video quality in this as well. I know the quality should be the same, but it's going to look quite different with stabilization on, and my shutter speed's a lot faster because of that. So there's not going to be as much motion blur, which kind of makes it look way more cinematic. But yeah, let me know what you think anyway. I never know whether to leave these videos like real long with all the not talking parts, just writing parts in it, or if they kind of get boring. But this ride's been pretty chill, so I don't know. Oh, that's a nice field. See, that's the kind of thing we want for photos. And this is that venue just up here on the right. Pretty fancy venue actually. Cowrie Bay Boom Rock. Photographed a wedding there a month or so ago. Nice little Beamer. Oh, there's a bunch of riders. Must be mates. Here on the left. Waitawa Regional Park. Oh, that's a nice field. Oh, we have to use that. campground, Waitala Beach. It's a nice place. I haven't been here in so long.